everyone, I'm Rishika Jain and today we have with us Ms. Jaspreet Kaur, a design director for Engraved Design Studios who also has an experience of over 15 years. Her work beautifully blends creativity with functionality. She creates spaces that don't just look stunning but also reflect the people who live in them. With a strong focus on human-centric designs, she creates interiors that balance beauty with purpose, making it timeless, elegant and deeply inspiring. Thank you so much for joining us today, ma'am. Ma'am, I always feel like जो भी creative profession होता है, जो भी लोग creative professions में जाते हैं, they always have a story behind it.
Right.
So I want to know your story. Like, why did you choose to get into the world of interior designing? मतलब is this something that you'd always planned कि मतलब मैं जाऊँगी interior designing में?
Actually, when I was like teenager, I was very into the drawings because मेरी drawing बहुत अच्छी थी. So everybody was saying to my father, so she's very creative, so उसको आप उसी field में डालो, like interior designing and all.
Right.
So even मेरे हैं like family history, maybe like my uncles and all, they are architects. So even उनके साथ initially when they was plan something, किसी का घर या कुछ भी plan करते थे, I was like very keen and interested कि क्या plan कर रहे हैं. So even I was also started, मैं अपने पूरे like घर की mapping start करती थी उनसे पूछ के like how I have to do the measurements, कैसे करते हैं ये सब चीज़ें. So from if I'm talking about मेरी journey actually वहाँ से start हुई है. So then I was just thought कि ठीक है मतलब मुझे कुछ interesting करना है and creative करना है. So that's why I was just choosing interior designing.
That was really interesting to know. I feel like with whatever space you create, I feel like you always give a personal touch to that space as well.
Right.
Apart from this, I've always wondered, ma'am, that when professionals enter a room, they might see things from a very different perspective from what we see. So I want to ask you, जब आप किसी room में enter करते हो, how do you, what is the first thing that you notice in a room, like as an interior designer?
First we entered into any kind of a space, if that is like commercial, residential or anything. First we'll check the movement, what kind of a movement actually is there. Cause अगर हम किसी भी रूम में हैं और किसी भी जगह पे हैं, सो पहले उसकी मूवमेंट एक होता है जो सबसे पहले चीज़ें नोटिस होती हैं, राइट, कि किस तरीके की मूवमेंट है वहाँ पे, वेदर द पर्सन कैन वॉक और नॉट, ठीक है. एंड सेकेंड इज बेसिकली एस्थेटिक्स, कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ लुक इज दिस, कि नेचुरल लाइट आ रही है नहीं आ रही. बिकॉज नेचुरल लाइट बेसिकली जो है ना वो किसी भी स्पेस में एक बहुत मेजर रोल प्ले करती है. बिकॉज एक छोटी चीज़ को बड़ा बना सकती है नेचुरल लाइट. सो सबसे पहले ये कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं विच वील एक्चुअली कंसिडर.
तो मैम मतलब जस्ट टू व्हाट आई अंडरस्टूड फ्रॉम दिस वाज, जब आप ऐसे इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग के लिए जाते भी होंगे, सो दीज माइट बी द फर्स्ट स्टेप्स ऑफ एक्चुअली डिजाइनिंग अ रूम, राइट? ऑलराइट. Ma'am, I also feel like sometimes very small changes can completely transform a room, like you said, natural lighting and all. So, ma'am, if you had to name any just 3 elements that you think can uplift a room instantly, what would they be?
First is lighting.
Yeah.
Second will be I can say your art pieces. What kind of art you select for your home or for your office. Second is definitely the art. And third is basically the soft furnishing or the furnishing textures basically you use for your home. That can be like, in terms of textures, can be in terms of like walls. That can be in terms of like what kind of furnishing you are using, what kind of a fabric you are using. So these are the elements which actually, ones will enter. So that actually plays a major role. These 3 things.
Thank you so much for sharing that.
That is my pleasure.
Yeah, this was really interesting to know actually. And I feel like design trends change very quickly in very little time. So looking ahead, what interior design trend do you think will become very popular in 2026?
I think in 2026, people usually have a very less space. If I'm talking about the most of the gentry, they have a very less space, right? So we are, going with the people who are, living in the apartments and the builder floors basically. So I think minimalistic look I can suggest for them, because that is like very sleek lines, straight lines are there. Okay, that is very compact furniture. Right. So I think in 2026 definitely will be the minimalistic look. So that is modern completely. Okay, the color tones is basically for the minimalistic is like neutral tones. Right. People really like neutral tones. They don't like the bold colors. Right. So 2026 is definitely the minimalistic look.
Right, ma'am. Ma'am, as you said, ma'am, जैसे अगर design trend change हो रहा है, so
जी.
the way you work, you might be focused on giving your client what they want. So उस चीज में, what is the biggest challenge that you face with your customers and clients?
That is the most tough question I can say, because we are dealing with very different clients और हर एक client दूसरे client से बहुत अलग है. ठीक है. कोई कोई client जो है वो बहुत easily pitch हो जाता है. ठीक है. and किसी किसी client को pitch करने के लिए मतलब उनके taste को समझने के लिए and what exactly we feel उन लोग को देख के. सो ये थोड़ा सा सबसे ज्यादा जो है ना टफ पार्ट है. मतलब उनको वो चीज अंडरस्टैंड कराना कि यस कि ये अच्छा लगेगा आपके घर में, ये नहीं अच्छा लगेगा. मतलब दिस इज द राइट फॉर यू एंड दिस इज द रॉन्ग फॉर यू. दैट इज द मोस्ट टफेस्ट चैलेंज एक्चुअली वी फेस. एंड दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन कि कुछ क्लाइंट्स होते हैं जिनको पहली बारी में ही प्रेजेंटेशंस वगैरह देख के मूड बोर्ड्स देख के समझ में आता है यस दिस इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक व्हाट वी आर लुकिंग फॉर. एंड कुछ क्लाइंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनको फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, सेकंड ऑप्शन, थर्ड ऑप्शन, सो दे एक्सप्लोर मोर. एंड आजकल मार्केट में क्या है, एवरीथिंग इज लाइक वेरी इजी इफ यू गूगल राइट. सो Pinterest एंड बहुत ऐसी इंटीरियर्स की साइट है सो जिन पे बहुत सारा डेटा और सब कुछ अवेलेबल है. सो बहुत बारी ऐसे होता है यूजुअली जब हम क्लाइंट के साथ फर्स्ट और सेकंड मीटिंग करते हैं, सो दे वर सेइंग कि हमने ये चीज़ें शॉर्टलिस्ट करी हैं, सो वी वांट दिस, वी वांट दैट. तो वो सब चीज़ें हैं जो हमें थोड़ा सा कभी कभी लगता है कि मतलब नहीं, बट एटलीस्ट क्लाइंट को हमारी सुननी चाहिए कि हमारे पास क्या डिज़ाइनिंग को लेके, प्रेजेंटेशन को लेके, व्हाट डिज़ाइन एक्चुअली वी हैव इन आवर माइंड टू सी देयर पर्सनैलिटी, टू सी देयर लाइफ स्टाइल. सो वो सब चीज़ें मैटर करती है बहुत ज़्यादा.
That's really nice, ma'am. Ma'am, हमने बाकी clients के design perspectives की तो बात कर ली. I want to ask you, how would you describe your signature design look in your own words?
If I'll be talking about my design words, so I can say the kind of a person I am. ठीक है. मुझे ऐसा डिज़ाइन करने में मज़ा आता है जो कि within 5 years or 10 years में outdated ना हो. I want to design like a timelessly. So if somebody come across to my place, okay, or the place which I had designed, so they were saying कि ठीक है यार अभी भी ये इतना ही fresh है जितना ये 20 years back था या जितना ये 5 years back था. That design has to be that kind of a fresh. So timelessly kind of a design. So जो भी materials है, जो looks है, that has to be as fresh as that is like a 1 year back or that is like 2 years back. So that is my perspective. And to add some of the things which is like I just adapt from the client's part कि उनका जो taste है, उनकी जो reflection है, that has to be add in my design.
Right.
So that is after all अगर मैं बोलूँ तो कुछ भी किसी का घर है या किसी का ऑफिस है वो उन्हीं का है, तो उनका जो टेस्ट, उनका जो लाइफस्टाइल है ना वो मेरी डिजाइनिंग के थ्रू रिफ्लेक्ट होना चाहिए. सो ये मेरा तरीका है डिजाइनिंग करने का.
आई थिंक दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट कि जो लोगों की पर्सनालिटी है, देयर लाइफस्टाइल, दैट्स बीइंग रिप्रेजेंटेड इन द स्पेस दैट दे लिव इन. Ma'am, this has been really, really insightful talking to you. It's been really fun. And I want to wrap up our quick little conversation with a round of rapid fire. So
Okay.
should we start?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So I'll ask you all questions. You
Okay.
choose one. All
Okay,
right.
okay.
So minimalist or layered interiors?
I'll go for the layered interiors.
Nice. Neutral palettes or bold accents?
I choose both. Actually, that depends on कि client किस तरीके का है.
Agreed. Built-in furniture or loose furniture?
Built-in furniture.
All
For
right.
nowadays lifestyle, definitely built-in furniture.
Agreed. Natural materials or high gloss finishes?
Natural materials.
Warm lighting or cool lighting?
Warm lighting.
And to wrap this up, one interior trend you're loving right now?
I really love modern interiors nowadays. That is very sleek, neutral finishes, sleek lines. I really go for that.
Wow, that was some really, really interesting choices.
Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
That was some really nice choices, ma'am. Ma'am, for our very last question of the day, I would like to ask you, what advice would you like to give to someone aspiring to get into interior design today?
First of all, I can say design within the soul, not from the scroll. Actually, I can say.
Right.
Oh, so don't follow each and every trend which is actually viral nowadays on the internet. Don't go for each and every trend. Okay, whatever you are designing from the heart. Okay, and your portfolio, your knowledge should be that strong. Okay, so people can actually आपकी जो चीज़ है ना, जो बातें हैं वो माने कि एग्जैक्टली दैट पर्सन इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट. ये नहीं कि आपने कहीं पे देखा और आपने क्लाइंट को बोल दिया. योर कन्विंसिंग पावर शुड बी दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग दैट क्लाइंट हैज टू बी बिलीव इन कि हाँ, इफ दे आर डिजाइनिंग माई होम और एनी काइंड ऑफ अ प्लेस, तो दैट इज लाइक परफेक्ट फॉर मी एक्चुअली. एंड मार्केट में जो भी नया ट्रेंड आ रहा है, बेशक वो मटीरियल्स है, मटीरियल्स के लिए पूरी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. सो एटलीस्ट जितने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मटीरियल्स आप नए एक्सप्लोर करोगे, उतनी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नई चीज़ें आप अपने क्लाइंट को दे सकते हो किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर. सो मटीरियल्स के लिए भी येस. एंड आजकल डिज़ाइनिंग के लिए इतने नए सॉफ्टवेयर्स आ रहे हैं. If I'm talking about like AutoCAD, because we also use AutoCAD for the designing, AutoCAD 3D views के लिए like we are using Revit, SketchUp और मतलब काफ़ी सारे सॉफ्टवेयर्स आ रहे हैं. So that is और like more important for nowadays, because जो exactly आप क्लाइंट को दिखाओगे उन सॉफ्टवेयर्स में, exactly क्लाइंट उन्हीं चीज़ों को देख के आपको अप्रूवल्स देंगे. So I think मतलब these things matters a lot.
So, ma'am, I think these are some things that even I'll keep in my mind. Our conversation has been so enriching. It's been so knowledgeable for people like me who also like interior designing. So, I sincerely want to thank you for your time. Thank you so much,
my pleasure.
ma'am. It was great having a talk with you.
Same,
Thank you.
Same here.
Thank you.
Thank you.